The focus of the discussion was really on how we can actually create an hybrid environment in partnership with Microsoft for the different customers that we have specifically today in Singapore, and how can we actually help them to create their own journey map to address their different requirements and their different part of the program that they have in mind to basically have an hybrid deployment of an Azure environment. Yeah.
One of the things that I found really important is like what Christoph spoke about earlier, is that now customers will have a choice in the ability to control the entire stack of the solutions. So today we saw the power of HPE, we saw the power of Microsoft and Intel, and obviously us, Digital Realty. And I think that combination really shines very true in what we've done today, and hopefully this will drive a lot of customer value together with HPE.
First is the customer need to first understand what is the concept of hybrid cloud and especially private cloud. I think that there is a lot of misconception, and actually today we can see that some of the customers were kind of realizing that a private cloud is something which is having the same feature and the same offering as a public cloud today. They were also realizing that there is a set of solution into this ecosystem that we create with our partner to basically enable that hybrid cloud and make it efficient for them, and also bring that kind of experience to their end user. Security was also one of the points of the discussion that we had with the different customers. So they want to be hybrid, but they want to continue to give business continuity to their internal customer or external customer. So that was also an important element of the discussion. Also the set of capacity. I think a lot of our partners and clients don't really realize always what is really at disposition at the moment and how much this can save them money into their operation. So I think there were some good learning about, hey, if you deploy using this specific feature or function, or you will be able to also save money ultimately for your total cost of ownership.
One more thing that really shone through today was I found it really unexpected, was that there was a customer that actually talked about how important sustainability was for their company. And the target number that was shared with me was amazing. It was like, 100% sustainable. That is the target, that is the intention, and that's what they really required.
First, the point of presence that Digital Realty can propose to HPE to basically deploy this hybrid cloud across the different regions. Yeah. The second element is obviously around technology related to the network and the connectivities. I think this is something that Digital Realty is also bringing into the ecosystem for us. On our side, we have obviously our consumption model, and that can be, of course, given in partnership with Digital Realty, so we can give the complete platform as a service and on a consumption base to our customer for this Azure hybrid cloud. Some other element that we have been seen as a value proposition is also the quality of our resource. It's not only to be able to have a data center and so on, but do we have the right people on site or close to that site to basically operate and maintain the operation of our customer. So I think we have a pretty good value proposition also together from a facility and from an infrastructure management point of view between HPE and Digital Realty. And finally, something which is, I think, proven today is the capacity that we have to jointly plan with the customer. I think today we can bring all this stuff together and address the requirement of the customer jointly into the planning. And that is also very efficient, I think, for the clients to really optimize the overall model and right size the data center as well as the infrastructure and the services needed to manage this whole ecosystem. On the other side, Digital Realty is also giving us the opportunity to deploy into an environment which is having a low PUE, which is also very important and very difficult to achieve for a client when they have to build the data center and operate the data center by themselves, right? And especially to get a consistent deployment and operation across the different regions, which is very important. So I think this is also another part of the partnership value proposition, which is to basically design and run a data center more efficiently to reduce the carbon footprint that each of our customers is trying to basically improve.